Nakapahinanap ni Miss Dark Angel.
Si Dark Angel.
Na-miss ka raw niya. Sana
Kung
all.
na-miss niya, ikaw.
Ah, Dark Angel. Hindi ka kakanta Dark Angel.
Tol, masakit ngipin ha, sabi na ni Randy. Thank you
Oo,
so
tol,
much,
masakit,
Randy.
Mm.
Masakit daw yung ngipin ni Kabsat.
Okay lang ba yun? Hindi naman ipin yung kakanta.
Sa bagay. Natawa si KGTV. Kasi na sunod. Na-miss ko kayong dalawa. Uy, sabi niya. Na-miss daw niya kayong dalawa.
Gantoy na.
Sige.
Yan. Yung rakis, naman to, mag-ingay na ito na.
Okay. Hundreds and maybe older since the last time that I saw your pretty face. 1,000 lights that make me bolder, and I don't think I can look at this the same. All the miles that separate, they disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still overloaded. The mind I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still with me in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me. The miles just keep rolling as the people lie there wait to say hello. I learned it's like it's overrated, but I know it's getting better as we go. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still overloaded. The mind I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still with me in my dreams. And tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Everything I know, and everywhere I go, it's getting hard, but you won't take away my love. And when the last one falls, and all is said and done, it's getting hard, but you won't take away my love. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still overloaded. Mind I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby. My heart's still with me in my dreams. And tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Oh
na all daw, na all. Sabi ni baby ko.
Ay, naol.
Kinagalingin eh. Di ba?
Oo,
Loves,
ano,
kitty,
ano talaga,
kitty.
ano talaga.
Parang, iba to talaga magiging araneta na to.
Ay,
Ay,
sana all,
nako.
sana all.
Oh, lalabs, oh. Andito
Oh,
na yung,
dark
ano yung
dark
mga
angel.
request, mga request.
Nag-echo. Tamad ako mag-cancel ng ano eh. Ayan. Steve, kumusta na? Ayan na.
Akit Rosie, Sir Randy.
Yan. Pati kay GTV, Dark Angel, okay lang.
Nakikita ko naman yung live niyo. Nagtatamsak na lang ako.
Ako rin, nakalive minsan pag nakalive ka. Paparamdam.
Pero happy ako ha. Nice to see you here sa Araneta. Thank you, Lalabs Jokes. Matutulog na sana ako. Hindi ko matiis eh.
Sana all, hindi matitiis.
At dahil
Sana all, ang
dyan,
Dark Angel.
naalala ko kasi noon eh. Mga puyat-puyat natin.
Sana may naalala.
Asan na yung sinana? Katambayers, asan na yung sinana?
Natutulog na si Dan sa kumpento.
Shout out dyan, Sir Randy, Mr. Lee Art. Ikakanta na ako, manahimik kayo. Ayan. Basta, thank you, everyone. May na yung net ko. Mag-emote muna kayo dyan. Yari, yun. Tell me I'm sorry, that's all I can say. Left with no reason, in spite of the pain. Now I know I've lost you forever. Hurt of rejection is hurting inside. Now that I'm broken, I've got nothing to hide. And now I'm just waiting for the sun to shine. Oh yes, crying the rain. And you're the reason that I cry in the rain. And it's your fault. I stand but I fall. Can get up so I crawl. 'Cause I cry in the rain. Simply Chambe, shout out. You took me for granted for all that I am. Made me feel like I'm nothing. How much more can I stand? And now I'm still waiting for the sun to shine. Oh yeah, Sir Leo. And you're the reason that I cry in the rain. Oh, nag-loading tuloy. Pumunta lang si Sir Leo. Nag-loading na yung background ko. Paano na yan? Loading. Wala tayong magawa dyan. Umikot na. Sir Leo, kasalanan mo. Panira talaga.
Nabigla saya.
Tinakot ni Sir Leo eh.
Ako na naman.
Diba? Wala na. Back to you na, Lalabs. Sayang yung kanta.
You were driver.
todo emote pa na. Shout
Pero
out yan.
pero ang ganda ng kanta mo, Dark Angel.
Oo.
Sana all umiyak sa ano
Sa
sa
ulan.
ulan.
Ay, amaze yun. Lagot ka. Umiyak sa ulan. Si amaze yun.
Kay Kwan yun.
Ang ganda pa man din yung with feelings and emotions
Oo,
na
with
kanta
feelings
niya.
talaga, with emotion, with emoticons, crying,
Sino ba si
crying
Dark?
in the rain.
KJTV, new upload, BK naman. Yes. I'm still here. Big boy, Snacky Johnny. Thank you. Galing ng singer.
No,
Di ba?
magaling pa naman si Dark Angel.
Magaling. Kaso tinakot mo daw
Oo
yung
nga,
ano, wifi niya. Best. Ay, si ano na, si
Oh
Steve.
yes, Steve.
Oh.
Sir
Salita
Leo, Sir
pang
Leo,
mono.
Sir Leo. Ano ba?
Yes. Yeah, mag-two songs kayo. Ikot na kayong tatlo.
Okay, wait lang. Subscribe mo na yan, Tol Randy, si Ate KJ TV. Matagal naming kaibigan yan. Since 20 years. Because of all you've shown, I've grown enough to tell you, you'll always be inside of me. How many roads have gone by? So many words left unspoken. I needed to be by your side, if only to hold you forever in my heart. Forever we will be. And even when I'm gone, you'll be here in me forever. Kapsat alis ni once a dream that you were gone. I cry and trying to find you. I beg the dream to fade away and please awaken me.
Forever naglo. Forever.
Anyari? Forever in my life.
Forever.
Anong ginawa mo, Steve?
Nag-loading lang siguro.
Oo nga, pinaloading-loading lang niya, sarili niya. Kapsit Laren. Ay, wala na, umalis na siya. Ayun na yung ano, yun na yung uso ngayon, guys. Hindi na she's gone. Forever, I'm gone. Aray. Ay, niko. Ano, nadali na ni sa loading. Steve kapit, hindi na, wala na siya. Nasipa. Siniban ng internet niya. Thank you guys. So, ikaw na, best. Na forever pa kasi.
Dahil nga walang forever.
Same kami yan, Oasis, diba? O baka nga, pag midnight na wala na kayong internet.
Kabinunutan ng wifi.
Tama. Magpatulog ka ni Steve. Sabi niya. Ay, my God.
Makitansyan.
O, diba? O, sige, kanta na. Last song na.
Okay.
Para makapahinga na kayo, mga Cinderella. Salamat, guys, ha. Salamat. Nandiyan.
Yan na.
Forever. Itutuloy ba?
Tutuloy pa. Tuloy niya pa si forever.
Itutuloy ba?
Nag-iwan pa siya.
Empty spaces fill me up with holes. Distant faces with no place left to go. Without you within me, I can find no rest. Where I'm going is anybody guess? I tried to go like I never knew you. I'm awake, but my world is half asleep. I pray for this heart to be unbroken, but you tell me all I'm going to be is incomplete. Voices tell me I should carry on, but I'm swimming in an ocean all alone. Baby, oh baby, it's really all your pain. You're still wonder if you made a big mistake. I tried to go like I never knew you. I'm awake, but my world is half asleep. I pray for this heart to be unbroken, but you tell me all I'm going to be
Sana all na lang talaga.
Forever, forever.
Sana all na lang talaga sa incomplete na yan. Ano, Kabsat Steve? Ano, Kabsat Steve? Okay ka lang?
Okay lang.
Forever.
Parang
Forever.
pinatay yung wifi.
Sabi ni, may forever pa kasi sabi ni Randy.
Siyempre, tutuloy ko yun. Sayang yun.
Oo. Ang ganda pa naman nila Forever.
Ganda pa naman ng kanta.
Sana all may... Let's welcome once again Forever by Kuya Steve.
Ituloy ko kung saan doon. Okay.
Shouty! Ganda LTC! Alaha. Sana all.
Sa LTC, good morning dyan.
Nagbabiral yung
Buli
mga
ka,
ano
buli
niya.
ka.
Live stream niya.
Oh, grabing daming viewers. Maawat ng 300. Malapit na siya na maging 1 million subscriber. Congratulations, Kabsat, ha? Handa kami lipatan, ha?
Ano kami lilipan na. Nagkanta ka lahat at ukol-ukol. Okay?
Kami lilipatan, Kabsat LTC, ha? Lalo no 100 million subscriber ka na, ha? Okay. Forever. Ulitin natin. Even when I'm gone, you'll be hearing me forever. Once a dream that you were gone, I cried trying to find you. I beg the dream to fade away, please awaken me. But night took a hold of my heart and left me with no one to follow. The love that I lost to the dark, I'll always remember. Forever in my heart. Forever will you be. And know that when I'm gone, you'll be near to me. Forever in my life, you always thought I'd be yours. Wala na si Randy kasi walang forever si Randy Boy. Forever. Yan, para sa may mga forever. Kagaya ni Kabsat LTC. Forever sila dyan. Alright, thank you.
Sana all ang taas noon. Kinaya na ni Steve. Grabe. Galing-galing na ng kabsat ko, ha. Umaaraneta na gaya ni Bes. Walang forever sa
Yan si Kabsat LTC may forever.
May forever yan. Yeah. Ay, naku.
Alright,
Pagbangon.
Kabsat LTC.
Dark Angel, ano mo, yung I'm sorry mo, sige na. Ano mo din, itutuloy mo. Uso na ngayon.
Kaya nga.
Walang forever. Walang forever.
Nawala na lalabs yung Cry in the Rain.
Right.
Loading pa rin. Loading pa rin. Last song na ba? Shout out dyan. Wala namang forever. Diba Grabe ang hina ng net. Ayaw makisama. Yan. Ding Simple Living, LTC Official. Yan, crying. Crying in the sun. I'll do my crying in the rain. May option. Ayun. Mag-last song na ako, lalabs. Thank you dyan sa inyong lahat. Panira kasi itong net. O ito na, bagong practice. Ako to, ikaw yan. Ayan. Try lang ha. I-try ko lang dito sa Araneta. Kung kinakaya na bumangon man isa sa kama, kahit ginawa ko na tubig ang alak, di tumatama. Kung sakali na magbagong isip mo, ako'y lagi lang naman nasa gilid mo. Kaso nga lang kahit na anong pilit ko, ako'y di mo nakikita. Wow, hirap tanggapin, di mo na ako kailangan. Sana na may nilabanan mo. Anong nangyari sa tayo hanggang sa huli? Tuluyan bang kakalimutan na? Ayoko pang mawalan ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano pang gawin kong pagkukunwari, ay tila ba nakalimutan na? Kalimutan ka, walang ibang mapagsabihan. Balikat ko'y tinatabi. Paano ko tatanggapin na ika'y hindi na loading? Yan talaga ito. Ayoko na talaga, lalabs. Yun, panira. Pag naaalala kita, luhay di maipahinga, matay wala nang mahiga. Di ko talaga magbabago ang isip mo. Yan na ba talaga ang ikakatahimik mo? Kasi kahit na ano pang gawing pilit ko, ako'y di mo na makita. Hirap tanggapin, di mo na ako kailangan. Sana na may nilabanan mo. Anong nangyari sa tayo hanggang sa huli? Tuluyan bang kakalimutan na? Ayoko pang mawalan ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano mang gawin kong pagkukunwari, ay tila ba nakalimutan na? Kalimutan ka. may nilabanan mo? Anong nangyari sa tayo hanggang sa huli? Tuluyan bang kakalimutan na? Ayoko pang mawala ng pag-asa. Mga mata mo'y masilayan ko. At kahit ano pang gawin kong pagkukunwari, tila ba nakalimutan na? Kalimutan ka. Nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan ng matulog. Ayan. Lalas.
Kalimutan forever.
Kalimutan ng forever. Ayan. Ayan. Tanggal mo na nga ako. Ayun. Tinanggal ko na sa wakas.
Tanggalin mo kasi forever.
Diba? Ang galing-galing mo pa sila Labs.
Ay, pila lang.
Diba nga?
Oh,
Try mo na bang umakyat kay Sir Dapper?
Ate
Nakalimutan ko
KJ.
ng umibig, sabi ni.
Nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan ko ng umakyat. Loves jobs. Thank you.
Thank you, ate. Ingat ka dyan, ha.
Ako ang magpapasalamat, guys. Salamat. Thank you.
Hindi pa ako bababa.
Baka na.
Ayan o. Last
Okay,
song na,
sorry.
best. Last song na.
Sige. Forever.
Sana all. May forever.
Miss LTC official, shout out to you. And to all guys, thank you for supporting Wawawi.
Visit. Let's welcome guys. The one and only. Maging higher neta.
Honey, why you pulling me so late? It's kinda hard to talk right now. Honey, why you crying? Is everything okay? I gotta whisper 'cause I can be too loud. I don't mean that. Well, when you're in the next room, sometimes I wish it was you. I guess we never really move on. It's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of an angel. Hear those words, it makes me weak, and it never wanna say goodbye. But can you make it hard to be faithful? With the lips of an angel. It's funny that you're pulling me tonight. And yes, I dream of you too. And does he know you're talking to me? We'll start to fight. No, I don't think she has a clue. Everybody. When my girl's in the next room, sometimes I wish she was she. I guess we really never move on. It's really good to hear your voice say my name. It sounds so sweet, coming from the lips of an angel. Hear those words, makes me weak, and it I never wanna say goodbye. But can you make it hard to be faithful? With the lips of an angel. from the lips of an angel. Hear those words, it makes me weak. And I never wanna say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to give me. With the lips of an angel, never wanna say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to give me. With the lips of an angel. Honey, why you calling me so late?
Thank you.
Ang malakasan, Steve. Ikaw na ah. Asan ang
Grabe.
pangmalakasan mo dyan?
Grabe. Ito pang malakasan ko. Wait lang.
Kasi TLTC, agyaman. O nga na, sa
Sa
bato nyo na.
TLTC niya nga eh. Sige, dita ka lang. Dito'y kami. Okay. Ang Araneta to, Araneta. Hey, come on! Hey, come on! Rock and roll! Sing with me, guys. Let's go. Kantay. Rock and roll. Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells. For every grain of sand upon the beach, I've got a kiss for you, and I've got more left over for each star that twinkles in the blue. Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells.
Kahit may visit, hindi na pa marunong.
For every grain of sand upon the beach, I've got a kiss for you, and I've got more left over for each star that twinkles in the blue. Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells. Wow! Pearly shell, bag tayo.
Ayun ang malupit.
Sana all.
Pearly shell. O, di ba guys?
Sana all malupit.
Ayun
Dahil
ang
nakapal-
oh, memories
Sana
yan
all,
na.
hindi lang
Memories
yung
na.
ito yung malupit, pati yung suot, malupit. Balman.
Galvan. Ayun, yung ano, binaba
Ang
ni,
mayaman,
ano,
mayaman.
yung binaba ni KGTV guys. Tingnan niya.
Kasi TLTC, okay ba? Okay ba?
Okay, sabam ka na. Di Daily Remix Vlog. Aloha. Thank you. Good night, mga angels. Thank you, Grace.
Thank you, Miss.
Maraming
Miss
salamat.
Dark Angel.
Thank you sa
Thank
inyo.
you.
Ayan. Reunion ninyo yan. Thank you so much. Salamat sa pag-akyat, Bes. Steve Kabsatan, KGTV, and then Iris. Thank you so much sa pag-akyat at pagkanta. Maraming salamat.
It's a
See you
pleasure.
around again.
Malaki po karangalan na makakyat po sa isang sikat na singer na napambat.
Visit ka.
Na
Visit talaga.
best job sinaw. Malaking karangalan po na
Hindi na
makakyat
nga
po
ako
sa isang
kakanta. Visit
empleyado.
kayo.
Kaya nga.
Eh, inaano nyo ako. Hindi na ako kakanta. Bahala kayo.
Maraming
Happy
salamat
Saturday.
po sa
Maraming
ating
salamat.
mausay na singer na isa po kayo.
Mahusay. Kapsit
Opo,
Steve.
opo. Kaya malaking
LTC.
karangalan po sa atin na
Ingat ka.
na makiat po sa inyong entablado, Madam Jo.
O, diba?
Salamat
Ako
po.
naman, salamat talaga. Hindi na ako kakanta. Wala ngayon, hindi na ako kakanta. Visit.
Hindi po.
Malaking
Kahit po
karangalan
kayo hindi
na
kakanta, isa po kayong sikat.
Ay, ito, basahin nyo. Malaking karangalan din makasama ang mga songeris lalabs. Imposible.